Happy Saturday, guys. Hello. Okay, so we're just gonna go for a walk.
I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence in here. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek. I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence.
Good morning, everyone. So we're just taking a walk. We're just vlogging our day again. She's walking pretty fast today.
His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek. In your presence I am free from the chain that
The dude is there, Novia. Watch out. Watch out. Ah! Please pick up you guys' dog poop. Guys, when you guys are walking your guys' dog. So loud that.
I am free from the chain that has bound me.
I don't think they would like us to go to their yard and poop and then not pick it up, right?
I am calm, waiting for the kingdom come. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His
Alright guys, I am back from our walk this morning. Of course, first thing is my coffee as usual. Now I'm just gonna wash the dishes. I was kind of sore from last night at work, so I didn't do anything but shower and rest. So I actually found what I can use this one for since it's so thin. The doctors give me ointment to rub on my skin. So it's like Enova. It's something like this. It's for inflammation. I help with the inflammation and pain in my elbow. So I rub that on so that Novera can't, and then put this over so that Novera can't get it or anything, because you know it's not very good for her. So that's a good thing to have this, so it can cover it. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. It feels a little sore today, but I'm gonna ice it down after this. And then I got this from Daiso. Yes, the time when me and Kiana went. It's a microwave cover. It seems pretty thick. $1.50. And then I got these. I like these sponges. And then for the hard stuff, I use this. I don't like the other ones anymore. You know the one with the Brillo pad, or like this one's here. I don't like this one anymore because it harbors so much bacteria. And it smells stink. I'm gonna throw it away. I don't like that one anymore. Cause this one, it's like $1.50 for a bag of 5 or 4, and then I can throw it away every couple weeks. So that's where the bacteria would be, yeah? And you put in all your bacteria onto your forks and your dishes. Okay, this is all a mess. Let me go. Alrighty. I'm gonna just rinse this out. And I'm gonna just use that to put fork inside. There's a lot of cups here. I gotta wash my makeup brushes, but it's still in the corner there. I have to wash it downstairs because our sink upstairs, it has such a small little drain, so I don't want it to get clogged with all the makeup. The makeup can build up, yeah, inside your clog, inside that pipe and stuff, and it's really small, so I do it down here. Since I'm at home today, I will do a makeup video after I ice down because I'm in some pain here today. The joys of life. Okay, let's kick it off and start to go fast.
The joy I seek in your presence, I am free from the chain that has bound me. In your presence, I am.
Okay, so I'm just wiping the counters. So what I'm using in this bottle here is just Clorox with some water. Just so I can kill the germs. And then I'm just using regular soap. But I'm gonna spray the counters with Clorox. And put this coffee back. I'm gonna probably go and eat, and then I don't even know if I'm gonna do my brushes today because it's been there for a couple weeks already. Yeah, I think the next thing I'm gonna buy for my kitchen is a new rice cooker. So I'm gonna go and probably check that out. I know it still works and stuff, but you know, if there's a reasonable one, then I'm gonna buy it. Hope you all are having a wonderful weekend. You know what's good at Daiso? If you guys have a Daiso close to where you live, they have like Scotch tape and you know all those tape. And it's like a big roll and it's really reasonable. And it's, if you go to the Walmart or whatever, it's like $5 or $6 or so. It costs a lot.
I've searched many years on
So at Daiso, it's, those are the good stuff to buy. The tape, Scotch tape and stuff like that.
that my soul
And what else? We just bought some Simon bows. That's really nice too. The candle bought it.
for your presence.
Cleaning up the side. I'm gonna put this here. This is the olive oil.
For your presence.
And then I guess this is Keanu's sweet corner.
In His name I find. In His name I find.
Oh, my calendar fell out.
Name I find.
So next year I'm gonna try and send all of you guys, all of my, not all of my friends on YouTube, a calendar of Hawaii.
His name I find the joy I seek.
So it fell down. It's not August yet. It's almost there. So it's, I'm just gonna put that up.
I've searched many
I have to use gloves because my fingertips are really sore. See, this is good to buy the Scotch tape and stuff. My fingertips get really sore. Get really dried and sore, so it's painful.
for your presence in here.
I think I heard someone say that you can use like the pictures,
For your
you know, the pictures from the calendar as wall art. So you can like make, like use it and put these inside a, look how beautiful that picture is. You can use that to put into a frame and then, you know, put it in a frame and then use that as decoration in your house. Oh, that tape is not holding up there. I think it's gonna, just leave it there for now. If it falls, it falls. I don't have a good system here for that. Alrighty guys, so that's all I'm gonna clean right now. I'm just sore right now, but I needed to do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna probably kick back for now.
Found me in your presence. I am calm, waiting for the kingdom come. In His name I find. In His name I find. In His name.
Really, what's going on? Okay, so now I'm just gonna. This is my day. It's just icing down. Oh. Ah. guys, I will close out my video from yesterday. Today's Sunday. Happy Sunday, guys. But I'll be closing out the video for my vlog yesterday. So I just wanted to do an outro. Alrighty, you guys have a wonderful Sunday. You guys take care and God bless.